Node will come to 1. It's really about to use outline stroke or how to outline stroke. So really very important to know what is going on with progress that is ready to be satisfied with next moments that should really simple about it with a certain progress. So what you're gonna do is about be satisfied with this video to be doing on with um going on with a very good satisfaction that is already going on with a very good moment as you can see. But that and really what you're gonna do is about to start with select the shape that you have to do and start with going to objects, right click and outline stroke. Now as you can see the converting outline stroke to a filled face that is really about to have to with a face that is really has been done with the vector shape, and this is actually how we do it and could be really satisfied for most of things that we see, and that's all about